If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on POCO C85, what you can do is you can open, let's say, the control center, and then in here, most likely you have the Quick Share button already added. If not, then of course you can go ahead and edit the control center in order to add Quick Share to the list. If you tap on it, you will open the Quick Share menu. You need to, of course, turn on Bluetooth in order to be able to use Quick Share. There we go. You might also need to go to your details in here in order to choose who can share with you. And of course, if you want to, let's say, receive files, you want to make sure that visibility is enabled, and most likely you want to switch to everyone because with contacts, it doesn't always work, or, you know, if the other device is not saved in your contacts on your Google account, then you will not be able to detect that other device. So essentially, the best practice is to actually switch to everyone, at least for 10 minutes over there. And after that, as you can see, we have the receive and send options. Also over here, these options are available. So if we switch to send, we can tap on select and we can choose whatever we want to transfer. Over here, we have a bunch of different categories that we can go through and search for anything that we want to share, that we want to transfer. And then you can choose to whom you want to send these files, so these other devices should appear in this place. And this is how it works. And in case you want to receive something, then of course you want to stick with the receive category. You can also go to the Files app by Google, which you have pre-installed on your phone. And then at the bottom, we have the Quick Share button as well, which we can use quite easily in order to immediately jump there. Or what you can also do is you can just select files that you want to share. So let's say I'm going to choose these 3 photos. Then we can use the share button in the upper right corner. And then in here, we can just select Quick Share. And these files will be immediately selected, as you can see over here. You can also generate a QR code in order to do this with the QR code instead of trying to detect each other. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.